fresh and clean. Now see, different machines do different tasks. So రకరకాలైనటువంటి machines ఏం చేస్తాయి? They do the different tasks. So if we see here, there are some of the examples. They help us in many ways. So ఈ machines అన్ని కూడా they help us in many ways. Next you see. So this is a refrigerator. So do you understand? This is a refrigerator. Are you able to see, children? Are you able to see refrigerator? So this is a refrigerator. It is used to keep food items cool and fresh. So what is the function of the refrigerator? Refrigerator yokka work enti? What is the function of refrigerator? It keeps the food items. So whatever food items we want to store, for example, fruits and vegetables, we want to make them fresh. So that's why we are using the refrigerator. Next one is washing machine. Have you seen a washing machine, children?
Yes.
So washing machine. So this is a washing machine. It is used to wash and rinse our clothes. So this helps us to wash and rinse. Washing and rinsing our clothes. Okay. So to wash our clothes and to rinse our clothes. So to dry our clothes also, we have a separate washing machine. The next one is, you see, it is a television. So next machine is a television. So what is the function of a television?
It used to watch cartoons and films.
Yeah, we will use watch cartoons and films. We will watch what? Cartoons చూస్తాము, films చూస్తాము, songs చూస్తాము. So we will see different things in a television. So there are different channels, sports channels, geography channels. So రకరకాలైనటువంటి channels, so entertainment channels are there. So all these things we will watch in a television. So what are you doing in the holidays? So all of the students will tell that they are watching television. So what do? You will watch the television in the holidays. The last one is a car. What is the last one? It is a car. It is used to go from one place to another. So the last one is what? It is used to go from one place to another. So can you tell me some more vehicles that are used for transportation?
A car, bus,
car
aeroplane.
Car, aeroplane,
bus, motorcycle,
scooter,
scooty, bike,
so all these
cycle.
vehicles. So these are the machines that are used to move from one place to another.
place.
So this is the second page of your lesson. So coming to the next page. So what machines can do? So what is the function of the machine? Machines save our time. సో మన టైం ఏం చేస్తాయి మెషిన్స్ అనేవి దే సేవ్ అవర్ టైమ్ సో వి రెడ్యూస్ అవర్ టైమ్ సో వి రెడ్యూస్ ద టైమ్ ఇన్ డూయింగ్ ద వర్క్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు గ్రైండ్ అ చట్నీ ఒక చట్నీని రుబ్బుకోవాలి అనుకుంటే సో హౌ మచ్ టైమ్ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ a lot of time but if you use a mixie it will be done in a fraction of seconds. Next, machine makes our work easy. Mana work easy ga avvadaniki we will use our machines and machines cannot work on their own. So machines anni tanantak tane work avutaya ledu. A human should be there to make the machine work and machines do not get tired. So like humans, after some time, after you go to home, after completing the school, you get tired and you want to take rest, you want to sleep for some time, so you want to play, so like that. But these machines, they do not become tired. అవి ఎప్పటికీ కూడా tired కావు. Okay, so these are the functions of a machine. So what machines can do? Machines save our time, machines make our work easy, machines cannot work on their own, and machines do not get tired. So these are the 4 things the machines can do. So next thing, some machines run on electricity. Some machines they run on electricity. So mixer, mixer, air conditioner and washing machine. Washing machine is there in the picture. So can you tell some more machines that work on electricity? అంటే ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ తోనే పని చేస్తాయి అని అర్థం. Okay, so some machines run on electricity. So tell me, can you give some more examples that work on electricity?
Refrigerator,
Hmm.
hair dryer, grinder,
Yeah.
fan, light.
Yeah. All these machines, they run on electricity. Next, you see. Some machines run on petrol and diesel. So there are some more machines that run on petrol and diesel. For example, aeroplane, car, bus. So our school bus is there. So it will run on diesel. Your bike, your father may be using a bike, right? So that bike is run by a petrol, a bullet bike, a motorcycle, a scooter. Everything runs on a petrol or diesel. An aeroplane works on petrol or a diesel. So like that, different examples are there here. So can you give some more examples that work on petrol and diesel?
Bike,
Hmm.
helicopter,
Generator.
and lorry,
Yeah.
tractor,
Tractor, lorry, all the machine, all the vehicles. Okay.
truck.
So in general, all the vehicles. So vehicles list, you know it, you know, right? So all these vehicles, they run on a electricity, or sorry, they run on diesel or petrol. And the last one is some machines, they run on battery. For example, calculator, clock and camera. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా బ్యాటరీ మీద నడుస్తాయి. సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టార్చ్ లైట్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ వర్క్స్ ఆన్ అ battery. So if the battery is over, bulb will not glow. And then you see the camera. Camera also requires the charging, or you have to replace the battery. And the clock cells untai kada battery cells. So that cells you will use. So and then a calculator. So like that, these are the machines. The run on first one is the electricity. Second one on the petrol or diesel, and the third one on the battery. So we have fourth one in the next page. Some machines run with human power. For example, sewing machine. So sewing machine ఉంటుంది కదా ఇంట్లో. If you have seen near a tailor or every house, most of you may, your mothers might be using this sewing machine. So this sewing machine, it works on the human power. ఎప్పుడైతే హ్యూమన్స్ దాన్ని ఉపయోగిస్తారో, మనం యొక్క పవర్ ని వాడతామో, అప్పుడైతే ఈ మెషిన్స్ అనేవి వర్క్ అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్ ఈజ్ వాట్? ఇట్స్ అ రిక్షా. So rickshaw, a person will be sitting here and he is pedaling the wheels. So then only the rickshaw works. And then a cart, a moving cart. So where a fruit vendor or a vegetable seller, so he will put the vegetables and fruits and sell, and he use that cart for moving here and there, for moving in our area. So for moving from one place to other to sell the fruits and vegetables, a vegetable seller or a vegetable vendor, fruit vendor, he uses this type of cart. So that means the machines run on four things. What is the first one? They run on electricity. What is the second one? They run on
petrol and diesel.
they run on petrol and diesel. And the third one is they run on battery. So can you name some things that run on battery?
Calculator, torch.
Yeah, calculator, torch, clock, battery, etc. And some machines they run with human power. Finally, they run with human power. The sewing machine, the cart, and the rickshaw. The last thing is a computer. So the title of our lesson is what is a computer? So computer is also a machine that runs on electricity. So computer is also a machine which runs on electricity. So what are the functions of a computer? It is see, it helps to do many tasks such as solving sums, playing games, listening to music, and watching movies, etc. So these are the tasks that are done by a computer. Solving sums. Sums means what?
Addition and
Problems.
subtraction.
Yeah, all the problems. And then you can play games in a computer. So how many of you are playing games in a computer? Comment me in the comment box. And then next, how many are listening to music and how many are watching the movies, listening to music and watching movies? All these things can be done in a computer. So these things can be done in a computer. So these things you had to remember, children. So first one is what? Solving sums, playing games, listening to music, and watching
movies, etc.
movies, etc. Now, the next point is the features of a computer. So the next one is the final thing. So have you seen a computer? Children, have you seen a computer? This is the picture of the computer.
Yes.
The features of a computer. It works very fast. What is the function of the computer?
It works very fast.
And it saves time. So time also will be saved. It gives accurate result. Accurate. So accurate means correct and exact result it will give. And then it never gets tired. So like humans, it never gets tired. It is very active and it never gets tired and it gives the result accurate and correct. And next, it can store results. So if you want to save something, your brain cannot save all the things.
Yeah.
And you may forget sometimes, but this computer never forgets anything. It saves all the data that we have provided to save. ఏదైతే డేటా ఇచ్చామో అదంతటిని కూడా it will save in a computer. Next one. It can do many things at the same time. So multitasking అనొచ్చు. So many things at a time. So at the same time it can do a lot of things. So చాలా పనులు ఒకటేసారి చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి you can call the computer as a multitask. So this is about the lesson, children. So this is the first lesson of the first class students. So you can watch this lesson again and again, revise it thoroughly, read the textbook and understand the lesson carefully. So now we have some of the questions also at the back. So test your skills. So all this exercise we will do in the next video. So Jeremy Prince will do the text your skills and the fun zone is there. So he will continue the exercise part in the next video. Okay, keep watching our YouTube channel, share to all your friends, and if you have any doubts, you can call to the number that is scrolling behind. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your holidays. Bye.